Hi everyone, welcome back to Simon's World, the place where we talk about education, opportunities, and real ways to succeed abroad. Imagine this, before you even travel to the United States, you already have a certificate or classes from an American university. This helps you get better jobs, settle faster, and look strong when applying for schools or work. One good example is Brigham Young University, or BYU. It is an American university known for good values, low costs, and high-quality online classes.
Hello, I'm Florence Sanguinobu, and I'm really happy to be a student at BYU right now. I'm taking a degree in business, applied business management.
You can study from Kenya or anywhere in the world and still earn credits or even a full degree that is respected around the world. This kind of education helps you understand how Americans learn, improves your English and work skills, and gives you confidence when you finally move. It shows employers or schools that you are already prepared for life in the US. So before you immigrate, think about starting your education early. BYU can help you do that. If you want me to explain how to apply, get financial help, or learn online with BYU, comment below. And remember to subscribe for more videos about true immigration paths and self-reliance. Now let's talk about why this is so important. Many people want to go abroad, to the US, Canada, or Europe. But most people don't know that success abroad starts before you even leave home. It's not only about the visa or buying a ticket. It's about how ready you are when you arrive. Moving to another country is like joining a totally new system, new culture, new English styles, new working rules, and new ways of thinking. If you don't understand this system, it can feel like starting from the beginning. But if you study with an American university like BYU, you already have a good foundation. You already know how teachers teach, how assignments work, how to write and speak professionally, and how to manage your time like a US student or worker. This puts you far ahead. Think of this. If someone goes to an embassy interview and says, I'm studying in an American university online, it sends a powerful message. It shows you are serious, responsible, and preparing for success, not just travel. Employers abroad also like people who have US-style education. It shows you can work in a team, meet deadlines, think well, and adjust quickly. This makes you stand out. The truth is, immigration is not just moving. It's growing into a better version of yourself, and education helps you become that person. That's why I made this video. Many of us are praying, saving, and planning to go abroad. But while we wait, we can learn, we can improve from home. That's what makes BYU special. It lets you start your journey early, before the visa, before the flight, before packing your bags. In this series, we'll talk about how BYU works, how it helps your immigration plans, and how you can start from Kenya or anywhere else in the world. Now, let's start with the big question. Why does an American education matter before immigrating? When you move, the first challenge is getting opportunities. How do you get a good paying job? How do you stand out when everyone else is experienced? Education helps. A certificate or a degree from a non-American school gives your resume instant respect. It's like walking into an interview and the employer already knows your training level. They know the school, they trust it, and that trust gives you more chances, more than the rest. So it's not only about getting a job, it's also about understanding how things work. If you take BYU classes online, you will learn how American schools expect you to think, not just memorize, but discuss, reason, and explain. You will know how to write essays, research, and present ideas clearly. Those are skills that will help you anywhere or everywhere you go.
BYU offers high quality to low income students so that they can be competitive in the world.
People who took BYU pathway classes before moving abroad say the same thing. It gave them confidence. When they started school or work in the US, nothing felt too strange. They are already used to the speed and the expectation. Another thing, BYU teaches values: hard work, honesty, self-reliance, and service. These are values that help people succeed abroad, because success is not only what you know, it's who you are. Okay?
I would strongly encourage anyone to come and join BYU pathway. It helps for those who will not have had an opportunity to study at the university, so that we can be able to get this high quality and become competitive in the world in which we live.
So as we continue, I want you to see the journey differently. So don't think of immigration only as a destination, Think of it as preparation. You can start building your US profile right now through learning, improving your English, growing your mindset, and connecting with an American education system like BYU, okay? We will talk more about this in the full video that we are going to start very soon, okay? So in the next part, I'll explain more about BYU, what makes it special, why people respect it, and how it connects with the values that help you succeed in life and abroad.